Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Facebook login error. So it has been login error, so you have just simply go to the Play Store and check the update of Facebook app. So there is no update of Facebook. If have you seen, so you will have to up to date your Facebook simply. So second one, you have to just check your internet connection over Wi-Fi or over mobile data. So I will have the mobile data, so I will refresh it and I will open the Facebook. So you have to just you also check your username and your password is correct. So I will opening, so it will be open my Facebook. So it's working. So this is how to fix login error on Facebook. It's very simple. You have to just follow the two steps of the internet connection and your Facebook app is up to date. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.